Hi, welcome back to the next episode of the gearbox build. So, looking here, we have the case, which, so here, this is the case. It's all been cleaned up, primed. It's come up quite well actually. And this is, except for that, what we're going to be working on. So, fourth gear is going to go in first. We'll put this ring on. We then put this in, along with this shady looking string, which you'll find out about in a bit, which is also the reason why this is in the vise, because you need like 6 arms to do this. So hopefully this is going to work. Then this is going to go in. So the main gears are going to go in. We then lift the string, pulling, oh bastard, lifting this up, and then that shaft should go through as easily as that one did. That really did just happen. Right, I'll set up again and hopefully not fire a shaft out. So I fixed that. Right, montage. Yeah, that was a pain in the ass. Whoever designed fitting this must have a special place in hell, because, you know, bollocks to you. Absolutely diabolical, awful job, especially if you use shite string. So, this is all together. Everything's nice and turns correctly. I can easily change from first to second, although I won't because it's still a bit loose. You have to have the tail housing in position and bolted on before you can really do that. This is all held in there, but I'm waiting on the fasteners for that, so I'll be back in a day or two. So when you've got the shifting rods in, you can then tighten these up and then lock wire them. It's fairly straightforward. And now becomes the tricky part, because I'm doing this one-handed. If you take these ball bearings and you drop them in, what these do is they keep the gears selected, prevents them falling out. Then you have these springs. This is fraught with danger. And this top cover on there, just a shifter. It's not bad. The feel of these generally when they're standard is pretty good, I think. But you can see it's had its day. So I'm assuming all the other stuff inside is all toasted. But fortunately we can be at new bits from the Owners Club. And that is from a LAN, because they have the same shifter. So we'll get it stripped down. We'll have a look. I'll show you how to fit the shifter now, but really you'll do this once the gearbox is in the car. So you get this reverse bit, you line it up with that bit there, and then this one will go here. Then you align these holes and tighten it up, which I'll do now. So that's it, gearbox is built. All I've got to do now is paint it, because once to paint it's a complete unit, which is a different story, and fit it to the engine, which does need some love. So I hope you've enjoyed this and you find it useful, and I'll see you in the next episode. Thanks a lot.